Well, aside from the variety of doing everything, I love the people that I work with. It's not like an employer-employee standpoint. It's more like a family. You know, I mean, you got your employer and you're the employee, but I mean, you're treated more like family.
You earn your own PTO. The more you come to work, the more PTO you earn, the more vacation time you get. I take three vacations every year. I have a lot of PTO. I never miss work.
Well, I've lived in Webster City for 39 years, and I guess I was looking for a career change about a year ago, and I've always heard about the foundry out here. It's always been here, and I guess it was something different, you know. Foundry work isn't like any other work, so I guess I was kind of intrigued to come try it out. I'm glad I did.
Seneca has definitely paid for my growth here. That's got to be one of the things that keeps me going here. Is I'll look at this place as a hobby, as something that I want to expand my knowledge on, and just getting to move around the foundry, learn new things, little tidbits about the sciences that go into it. I mean, no matter what the pay is, that just obtaining that knowledge is priceless to me.
It's like a close-knit family out here. Very good company to work for. They help you with everything. They put their employees first.
So long as you do what you should be expected to do, which is to show up for work every day on time and do the best job that you can while you're here, this company will treat you like gold. Because to Seneca, you are gold. It's the most important part of this company is the people that do the work.
You definitely learn a lot about the different colors of iron, the type of metal you're pouring, the start result and end result. I mean, it's all pretty interesting.
The teamwork is awesome. I know yesterday we were short 2 people and everybody pitched in, everybody helped, and that's awesome. Other places, that I've worked, I didn't see that. I would ask people, hey, can you help me? They'd be like, no, I'm too busy, or so it's just teamwork here is awesome.
I like knowing what our end products get used for, and there's such a vast array. We make anything from parts for hitches, elevators, ag equipment, construction equipment. It's just an endless variety of where our products are used. And I was told early on in my foundry career that you're never more than 10 feet away from a casting, and the more you think about it, there's a lot of truth to that.